If you could have anything, what would it be? What's your dream?
A house, a dog, a woman I love, loves me.
Me too.
You mean cancer?
If something happens, I want my pension to go to Stacy, because it's the only way she can afford to keep her house.
But that's for married people, eh?
When my heterosexual colleagues die, their pensions go to their spouses. But because my partner is a woman, I don't get to do that. I'm only asking for equality.
It's an opportunity to change the world.
I'm worried about Stacy. She's had so much to deal with. She's so young. It's not fair.
I love you!
You know, in the time I have left, my priority is you.